Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by prioritizing safety: gloves, goggles, and a proper respirator. Once ready, test a hidden patch to see how the glue reacts. Use a heat gun set around 150 to 200 degrees Celsius to soften the glue, or apply a concrete-compatible solvent in a thin coat and let it dwell for the manufacturer's time. Make sure to ventilate and shield nearby surfaces with plastic. This step reduces mess and reveals which removal method works fastest for your specific adhesive. You now move methodically. Divide the surface into manageable 12 to 18-inch sections so glue stays reactive. Once the adhesive is softened, hold your scraper at a shallow angle and push, rather than pry, to avoid gouging the concrete. If bits remain, reapply heat or a second short solvent dwell and go over them again. Make sure to wipe softened residue with disposable rags and deposit solids into a sealable container. This keeps the area clean and prevents adhesive from rebonding. You finish by removing thin residue with mineral spirits or a concrete-specific cleaner, scrubbing with a stiff brush and rinsing thoroughly. Once the concrete is dry, inspect for any gouges and patch small defects so the surface is ready for new coating. If a stubborn spot refuses to budge, extend the solvent's dwell time or switch to a mechanical approach like a diamond cup grinder. Use dust control and PPE. One key troubleshooting tip: if the glue hardens again, repeat softening cycles rather than.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.